Now we will be learning the international place value chart. So this method of learning greater numbers or reading the numbers is used in many countries, and so this method or this chart is called as international place value chart. So this place value chart is also having periods and place values, but there is a slight change as compared to the Indian place value chart. So the periods in this international place value chart are like ones, thousands and millions. In Indian place value chart we had ones, thousands and lakhs. But in international place value chart we have ones, thousands and millions. So also the place values that are under these periods are also somewhat changed. In ones we have the same place values, that is ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands, thousands and 10,000s. So these two are same, but there is addition with 100,000s. So in Indian place value chart we had 3 place values in ones, 2 place values in thousands and 2 place values in lakhs. But in this international place value chart we are having 3 place values in each period. Here we have 3, ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands we have thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Whereas in millions we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So there is a slight change in the periods and in the place values that are included in these place values which are included in these periods. But the rules that we followed in the Indian place values, like we should divide the periods by using a comma. We should always use singular form when we read or when we write the numbers. All those rules are similar. Only there are changes in the periods and places. We need to do a lot of revision or lot of practicing so that we don't get any problems when we use the Indian place value chart as well as the international place value chart. Now let us look for some numbers, how to place them in this place value chart. The rule is also the same. We should start from the lower place value, that is ones. So let's take one example. Here the first number given to us is 17345 So this is the number, and let's start placing the digits of this entire number into the place value chart. The rule is the same. Start from the right side. So the first digit you can see here is 6. I am placing the 6 digit in ones place. The second is 5. I am placing it in tens place. The next is 4. 4 is placed in the hundreds place. 3 is placed in thousands place value. 7 is placed in 10,000 and 1 is placed in 100,000. So count it here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also 6 digit. In the same, as I told you, rule is that we can divide the period with the help of a comma. So we will divide here the period. So first 3 place values are in ones period. So here I put a comma. And the second 3 places are in thousands period. So 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are going to be in the same period, that is thousands. Okay. So now how we are going to read it? We are going to read it like 173. How will we read it? 3 numbers. So we can't read it 173. We will read it 173 thousands because they are in the thousands period. 173,456. How will we read it? 173,456. These three numbers are in thousands, isn't it? So we will read it 1,073,456. Now let us take one more example. The next digit here is 1. Next number is 13648. We will start writing it in from the smaller place value. The first digit will be 8 in ones place. The next is 4 in tens place. The next is 6 in hundreds place. The next is 3 in thousands place. And the next is 1 in the 10,000s place. This is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-digit number. Now we will separate it on the basis of their periods. So first 3 digits are in ones period. We will put a comma. And these 2 digits, that is 3 and 1, are in the thousands period. So now let's see how to read it. We will read it 13,000. Only 13 is there. If any number was there before this, we could have read it like that. Here only we have 13. So 13,648. How will we read it? 13,648. Okay. We will take one more example so that you get very much practiced by it. The number is 48321. Shall we put it into the chart? So the first digit is 1. The number in tens place is 2. The digit is 3 in hundreds place. The digit 8 comes in thousands place. The next digit is 4, which comes in 10,000s place. So this is also a 5-digit number, and if we want to separate these periods, how will we do it? We will put a comma before 3 because 3, 2 and 1 come in ones period while 8 and 4 come in the thousands period, and we will read it like 48,321. We will read it 48,321. So there is one more number, that is 3685, which is a 4-digit number. So in unit place, in ones place we will have 5. In tens place we will have 8. In hundreds place we will have 6. And in thousands place we will have the number 3. So, and we will put a comma after the ones period. So before 6 we will add, because 6, 8 and 5 do come in ones period while the 3 comes in thousands period. And how do we read it? We read it like 3,685, because 3 is the only number in thousands period. We will read it 3,685. So this was about the international place value chart. We will be solving various examples or how to write the numbers in words based on international place value system as well as based on Indian place value system, so that we don't get confused with both these types of place value charts. You are supposed to write this entire chart in your notebook. Now we will be learning the numbers, how to write these numbers in words form and how to read these numbers. So here I have written the Indian place value chart, and on the other side I have written the international place value chart. So some numbers are taken and we are going to see how to place these numbers in their exact place values and also how to write these numbers in words. That is how to read these numbers. So first we will have a look after the Indian place value chart. So here you can see I have written the place values from the Indian place value chart. Here we have ones, then we have tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. So here I have given you three numbers and I have placed them in the proper place values, and we will see them one by one. So the first number is 11, 156. So first we will see how we have put them in their place values. So the first digit from the right is 6, it is put in ones. Then comes 5, it is put in tens block. Then comes 1, which is put in the hundreds block. Then comes 1, which is put in thousands, and the next is 1 again, which is put in 10,000 block. So how will we read it? See here, they have been separated by a comma, and where we use a comma to separate the periods. Here you can see these three digits, they come in the ones period, and these two digits come in the thousands period. So thousands period and ones period is separated by using a comma. So we will read it like 11,156. How will we read it? 11,156. Just have a close look or listen to me carefully how I separate the digits from the basis of their place values or on the basis of their periods. So the second number is a 6-digit number. First, let us see how it is placed in the place value system. So the first number from the right is 1 in the ones place. Then comes 8 in tens place. Then 2 in hundreds place. 4 in the thousands place. 1 in 10,000s place. And the 1 in the lakhs place. And here we are having 6-digit number. These three numbers, they belong to the ones period. These two numbers belong to the thousands period, and this one number belongs to the lakhs period. So the 6-digit number here is having all the three periods. So now there will be two commas because we have to separate this number into the periods. So before these three numbers I have put a comma. Also before these two numbers we have put a comma. So how will we read it? We will read it like, since this one is in the lakhs period, we will say 1,14,000. This 14 comes in the thousands period. So 1,14,281. Since these three are in the ones period, we will read 1,14,281. So also you can see here how I have written it, 1,14,281. You can also see here that no plurals are used, no thousands, no hundreds are used. All the numbers are written in singular form. So also we are going to see this third number. So it is 789730. So first it is placed in the place value chart here, and since it is a 6-digit number, this number is also having all three periods, that is ones, thousands and lakhs period in it. So this 7 comes in the lakhs period. So we will read it like 7,89,730. Since this 7 is in lakhs period, we will read it with using a lakh. Then 89, it comes in thousands period. So we will read it 89,000. 7 is in the hundreds place, so 700, and 3 is in the tens place, so 30. And in ones place we have nothing, so we can't say 31, 32, it is just 30. So we will read it like 7,89,730. So these were the three numbers which I had given to you in the form of written form, how to read, how to write in words. So now we will have a look after some numbers which we have to read and write in the form of international place value chart. So we know that there is slight change in the Indian place value system and international place value system. The periods are somewhat changed and the place values also get a little bit changed. So here you can see I have written the place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 and million. In Indian system we don't have 100,000, we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. But here we have, in international place value system, we have 100,000 and million. So here the number is given 304,395. So it is a 6-digit number, and I have placed the digits according to the place value. Okay, so you can see here from the left, 5 is written in ones, 9 is written in tens, this 3 is written in hundreds, then this 4 is written in thousands, 0 is written in 10,000 and 3 is written in 100,000. So they have been separated by a comma on the basis of the periods. As we know, hundreds, tens and ones come in ones period, and these 304 they come in thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s place value. So a comma between these three numbers. So now how are we going to read it? See here we have 3 numbers. So we read it 304,000 because these 3 digits come in the thousands period. So we call 304. Sorry, not and. Never use and when you are reading a number, when you are writing a number. You will read 304,395. How will it be read? 304,395. So also you can see the next number. This is also a 6-digit number, and it is placed according to its place value, and also a comma is put by giving them space. A space is given here for the comma, and what is done? The 2 periods are separated. So we will read this like 168,000. We know that 168, these 3 digits they come in the thousands period. So we read it 168,000. You can see here 168,457. 457. So also you can see the third number. What is it? It is also a 6-digit number like the other 2 numbers, and it is also separated by a comma. So the 2 periods are separated here, and we read this number like 199,000. 199,428. How do we read it? 199,428. So these were some numbers which I have shown you how to read them and write them in words. Exercise number 2 from our textbook is based on all such easy sums that are based on Indian place value chart and international place value chart. I will be sending you a PDF in which 1 to 2 examples I will be solving, and the rest of the examples from that exercise you are supposed to solve. So go through these charts, write both these charts in your notebooks so that you go through the spellings or how to write these numbers in words, and you can solve the exercise very easily.